Welcome to Read and Learn, Day 11. Let's read the letter sounds. A, B, K, G, H. Let's repeat, children. A, B, K, G, H. Let's read more. P, R, S, T, W, Y. Let's read again. P, R, S, T, W, Y. Now let's read the words. H, A, T, H, A, T, hot, hot. A, T, A, T, not, not. K, A, T, K, A, T, cut, cut. Hot, not, cut. H, A, G, H, A, G, hug, hug. B, A, G, B, A, G, bug, bug. T, A, G, T, A, G, tug, tug. Hug, bug, tug. Z, A, N, S, an, sun, sun. B, A, N, B, an, bun, bun. R, A, N, R, an, run, run. Sun, bun, run. K, up, K, up, cup, cup. S, up, S, up, sup, sup. P, up, P, up, pop, pop. Cup, sup, pop. Now let's read all the words. Hot, not, caught, hog, bug, tog, cop, sup, pop. Now children, it's your turn. Sun, bun, run. It's your turn. Good job, children. See you in day 12.